Hello, and welcome to the Qlik Continuous Classroom webinar. My name is Christina Parks, and I'm the Education Services Project Manager here at Qlik. In today's webinar, we will explore the many ways to locate, access, and consume content within the continuous classroom to better enable you to find what you are looking for and help you become more familiar with our learning platform. The Qlik Learning Portal covers all our education offerings, which include the following: Continuous Classroom, where you will find our self-paced learning; Instructor-led training, which contains virtual and blended; Assessments, including skills assessments, qualifications, and certifications; Programs, including the academic program, data literacy program, and custom application training. How Do I videos are short videos, typically no longer than 3 to 15 minutes in length, that will explain a variety of topics covering the most commonly requested courses, like how to create an app. You can either look through all the different topics listed or use the search to locate a specific topic. When you first access the Qlik Learning Portal, be sure to log in with your Qlik account. This way, you can track the progress of each course completion. Locate and click on the Login button at the upper right-hand corner. Next, you will need to enter the email address and password associated with your Qlik account. If you do not have a Qlik account, please sign up for one by clicking on the Sign Up link at the bottom of the login screen. Once you have completed your registration, return and log in. Users may log in and access the continuous classroom with or without a subscription. However, without a subscription, you will not have access to all the course content. Although you could use the guest login, we do advise logging in with your Qlik account to get access to more of what the Learning Portal has to offer. Please note that you may also request your screen name or reset your password from this login screen should you ever need to. Once you click the Login button, you'll be brought back to the Qlik Learning Portal homepage. Here, you will be able to access your learning dashboard. To locate your learning dashboard, click on the My Account button in the upper right-hand corner, and then click on Go to My Learning Dashboard under the Welcome message. This will be the best way for you to navigate through our site as a logged-in user. As a first-time user, you have the option to take an interactive tour. Should you choose not to take the tour, simply exit the tour pop-up option. Scrolling down the page, if needed, you will see 3 categories on your learning dashboard. The first is your in-progress courses. These are courses you have accessed but not yet completed, and these will be listed in alphabetical order. The second is your recently viewed courses. These are all courses you have accessed, including completed courses, and these will be listed in dated order, with the most recently viewed first. The third is where you will find your completed courses. These are courses where you have met all the activity requirements for completion, and these will be listed in dated order as well, with the most recently viewed first. Please note that each section has a course search function that allows you to search for a specific course title within your lists. Scrolling down the page a little bit more, you can see each of the courses has its own tile, and you can view the course directly from the tile. As an example, I'm going to click on the View Course button in one of the course tiles and show you a typical course layout. Here, you can find the title of each course and a brief description that will explain what the course is about. Learning objectives are listed to help describe the outcomes of the course, as well as the estimated time required to complete the learning module for each of our courses. If other versions of the course are available to meet the needs of former client-managed and cloud-based environments, they will be noted here as well. The KPI, or Key Performance Indicator, next to the module title indicates how much of the learning module you have completed. This shows there are 5 activities that must be finished to mark the learning module as complete. These activities correspond to the 5 interactive videos from the tile below. Once you have viewed the videos, the system will place a check mark to the left of each video title indicating it has been consumed. and the KPI will update to 100% on the Learning dashboard. Please note that the KPI does not update immediately and may take several minutes. We recommend that you check back after 15 minutes and it should then show as updated. Scrolling down the screen a little further, you will see a set of smaller tiles. Example files consists of a variety of files with example data that can be used to follow along with the interactive videos. They are stored in a zip file that you may download and extract on your local drive. Interactive video contains the educational videos for this module. Each video highlights a portion of the learning module to help you better digest the material. Self-paced practice is offered in many of the learning modules. It contains a PDF document you may download to view step-by-step instructions for gaining some practice with the educational concepts presented in the module. These are a terrific way to quickly reference material when you're working with the product. Takeaway document contains the main takeaway notes from this learning module in a PDF format for you to download and refer to. Test Yourself is a simple 5-question quiz that will help you to confirm your comprehension of the material. You may take a quiz as many times as you like. Each instance will be recorded for your review. Questions are presented in a variety of ways, including multiple choice, multiple answer, and true or false. Follow the button prompts to check and submit your answers. To the left of the question box, you have the option to add a flag as a reminder to return to that question before submitting your final answers. To the right of the question box is the quiz navigation panel that allows you to return to any of your flagged questions or finish your attempt. You have the option to submit each of your answered questions throughout the quiz, or once you have answered all 5 questions, click the Finish Attempt button. Here, you'll be taken to a summary of your attempts. Below the summary, click the Submit All and Finish button. Click it a second time from the pop-up window to confirm submission. You will then be presented with a report that shows you what topics you may need a little bit more focus on in the course, and you may take the quiz as many times as you like. Quiz scores do not count towards the completion of the learning modules. To the right of these tiles, you will find a feedback block. We are continually looking to improve upon the learning modules and want you to share your thoughts and ideas on the course content. The feedback you provide is completely anonymous, but you may include your email address if you would like us to respond to you directly. A note about the video players. After you click the interactive video tile and select a video to play, if for some reason your browser does not open a new tab, you can navigate down to the toolbar at the bottom of the page and click on the play button in the lower left corner. On the right-hand side of the toolbar, you will see several other buttons that you may utilize. A closed caption icon that can be turned on or off for English language captions, a table of content icon that brings up a search function, and a table of contents marking important parts of the video demonstration. The search function allows you to search for any keyword, and anytime it is mentioned in either of the table of contents or closed captions, you can skip ahead to that point in the video, and it is not case sensitive. The gear icon denotes the player settings. Once selected, it will offer a menu of playback speed options that allows you to speed up or slow down the video. Whether or not English is your first language, this is a useful function to slow down the audio and follow along with the educational content. Next to last is the picture-in-picture icon. This is helpful to use if you only have one monitor. It allows you to play the video in a smaller view on any part of your screen while you have other work items or utilities opened in the background. If you have 2 monitors, you can use one for the full screen video and the other for following along with the presentations in your own Qlik environment. The last item on the player is the full screen icon. This allows you to increase the size of the video for larger viewing. To exit the video, simply close the tab. This returns you to the video tile where you can select another video. Close out of the video tile, and from your account profile, click on the go to my Learning Dashboard link once again. Scrolling down to the next block on your Learning Dashboard, you will be able to search courses based on roles, learning plans, or topics. Look at the Role-Based Libraries section. Here, you can browse content by role. Users are defined as the following. A business user consumes and utilizes applications to help make business decisions day to day. A business analyst works with others to create and manipulate applications. A data architect develops the applications, and the system administrator helps to ensure the access management. By clicking on any one of the View Courses buttons, like the Business Analyst role, you will be directed to the Continuous Classroom course search page, already filtered for the Business Analyst related courses. Please note that depending on your subscription, you may not be able to access all role-based learning plans. Here, you may drill down to more specific content using a variety of filters. Product and Program gives you options for Qlik products. User Role gives you the options for each user type. Level allows you to choose which level of training you may need. Product Release allows you to choose the product version year. Category gives you the course topic options, and Price shows you which courses are free to view or if a subscription is needed. The system will allow you to apply multiple filters to view a greater variety of selection options. You may also watch this short video on how to get the most out of our search engine. Click on the Browser Back button to return to the previous page. As an alternative to role-based learning, consider using a prescriptive learning path using one or more of the learning plans. Step-by-step prescriptive learning journeys help build proficiency in diverse topics based on your preferred role type. If you are unsure of where to start, we recommend starting with the Plan for Business Analysts. Once you click on the Access Business Analyst Learning Plan button, you'll be directed to the Business Analyst Learning Plan page for new users. Another way to open this page is by utilizing the Continuous Classroom drop-down options located in the top navigation. Here, you will also find the role-based courses library that was shown earlier.
Usage
You may also
analytics
access
gives
the
you the
Business
ability
Analyst
to
for New
leverage
Users
Qlik
plan
Sense
by
to
clicking
analyze
on
your
the Get
subscription
Started link,
usage,
which takes
course
you to the
activities,
orientation
and
to the
user
Qlik
adoption.
Continuous
You
Classroom
may
page.
access information
Once
such
there,
as account
click the
activity
New
and
User
trends.
Learning Plan tile, and you will find the link to the Business Analyst Learning Plan. Other items included on this page are orientation videos supporting your navigation and use of the Qlik Learning Portal. Returning to the Business Analyst Plan, you will notice two tabs above the title, Qlik Sense and Qlik View. If you choose to follow the prescriptive path for the Qlik View product, click this tab. Click the Qlik Sense tab to follow the path for Qlik Sense products. Below the title and brief description, there are three tabs: New User, Qualification, and Next Steps. Start with Why Qlik Sense, then move on to the orientation of the QCC. Next will be getting started with Qlik Sense and finishing with using insights to create visualizations. These are all new user courses for the business analyst. As you move down the page, you will find more content such as load data, visualizations, searching and selecting, and finally sharing and storytelling. All courses under the new user are free to access without a subscription, so you can get started right away. In the Qualification tab, a subscription is required to have full access to these courses. Any user completing both the new user courses and the qualification courses will be prepared to take a Qlik Sense qualification exam. Two qualification exams are offered, one for the business analyst role and one for the data architect role. You may access the exam by clicking the button at the bottom of the page. The last tab, Next Steps, includes additional advanced learning topics and resources available to you in the continuous classroom to expand your Qlik Sense, data literacy, and data analytics knowledge. One topic I would like to highlight is data literacy and analytics. These learning modules center around data, analytics, and statistical concepts that enable users to become data literate and gain a better understanding of how to use data. Using your account profile to return to your learning dashboard page, the last section to review is topics. Here, you can explore courses by topic, such as debugging and validating, or chart types, to name a few. If you do not fit in any of the discussed learning plans, you can custom create a learning plan that meets your specific needs. Use the top navigation Continuous Classroom dropdown and choose Create Your Own under Learning Plans. When you click the button to create your custom learning plan, you will be presented with a series of questions that assist in narrowing down the course options. For example, if you are looking for courses on data integration, click that option, then click Continue. And you're really interested in Qlik Replicate, click that option and continue. Choose the version you are using and click on it. When you have completed the round of questions, click the Create Learning Plan button and remove unneeded courses from the recommended list. Then, give your learning plan a custom name by clicking on the Edit button under the Learning Plans and More title. You may also click the Add Courses button to add any other courses you wish to have in your plan. Click the Save Changes button. Your new plan is now available to use and/or edit at any time. Edit options include the ability to remove and add courses. You can create as many of these learning plans as you want. So, if you're really interested in Replicate and Compose, you can have a learning plan for each of those products. They are listed in the order you added them. Use the link here to go back to your custom learning plan. Using your account profile, return to your learning dashboard. Scroll down to view recently added and updated courses. Here, you will find content that has been updated and added to the course libraries within the last 30 days. In the course library search, these will be marked with a green tag that says New in the upper right-hand corner of the course tile. From here, scroll down again to discover the Upcoming Events block. This area allows you to view all the live or pre-recorded events we have scheduled. By clicking on the View All Events button, you will have a more expanded view of the schedule. Those events highlighted in green are free webinars for anyone to attend, while those highlighted in pink are for subscription-only users. You may filter these from the Events key block and select the choice you want to exclude. To register for any of the events, click the Register Here link under each webinar title. Hovering your mouse over any of the highlighted dates, as seen in the calendar block, will allow you to see what webinars will be held that day. Place your mouse over the March 25th date, for example. Here, you see that there are two offerings of the security model in QSE held in Central European Time. By clicking on the selected date, you'll be given a detailed view of the event's date and time, course title, description, instructor name, role focus, language, and duration. You will also find a link to a time converter and world clock so that you may see what time the course will run for your time zone. These webinars may contain advanced learning and an opportunity to interact with instructors, ask questions, or have an interactive demonstration of the product. Using your account profile, return to your learning dashboard to review the user menu icons located to the right of the welcome message. Here, you will find the following. Course search icon. This opens the course search screen we have previously visited. My Learning Dashboard icon. This opens your dashboard where you can view the progress on your courses. Custom Learning Plan icon. This opens your Manage My Learning Plans page where you can view the custom plans you created. Webinars icon. This opens the Webinars page where you may view the upcoming schedule and register for any free or subscription-based webinars you would like to attend. Get Answers icon. This will direct you to a knowledge base page where you can search through extensive help documentation to find specific details of Qlik products, functions, and features. Join our Qlik community to collaborate with Qlik experts and power users and post questions to the discussion board. If you have any questions about training, you may join the Education Services Forum, where you will find the Qlik Education blog. This is an effective way to access and follow the latest updates or new additions to our courses, programs, and exams. What if you have a question about a specific course? If you have a subscription, you will be able to schedule a 15-minute one-on-one session with one of our instructors who can assist you. My Badges icon. By clicking this icon, you will access the badges and achievements you have earned on the Qlik Learning portal and learn more about how to save your badges or add them to social media. Log Out icon. Clicking here will log you out of your learning dashboard. To the left of the welcome message, you will find the user drop-down icon. Clicking this will expand a drop-down list of the different settings you may utilize. Profile accesses your user details. Here you will find the user type, subscription type, and level. If the subscription type says free, you do not have a subscription. However, note there are some profile setting adjustments you can make, including adding your location and user image. Preferences also allows you to edit your profile, preferred language, and other account information. My Badges is another way to quickly access your earned badges or achievement as previously discussed. Search redirects you to the Continuous Classroom course search page. Usage Analytics gives you the ability to leverage Qlik Sense to analyze your subscription usage, course activities, and user adoption. You may access information such as account activity and trends, as well as creating customized sheets and share results. Currently, this app is only available for subscription administrators only. Manage Subscription is a portal for subscription administrators to invite, view, and manage all subscriptions associated with their account. Individual subscribers will not be able to manage subscriptions from this portal. Once logged in, there are resources to help administrators launch Qlik Learning to subscription users. Use this adoption framework link or watch this short video to learn more. If you are interested in more information on how to purchase a subscription, please click on the Continuous Classroom link from the top navigation and, under Subscribe, choose Overview. This information web page will provide you with the types of packages we offer and the features that come with each subscription. This concludes the navigation and summary of the Qlik Continuous Classroom, but the journey is not over. There are lots of other features and programs within the Qlik Learning portal for you to access. Return to the Qlik Learning homepage where you can choose any of the sections to explore more. If you have any questions, please email us at education@qlik.com.